Hello, fam. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. It's been a while. Anyways, today I decided to make moi moi, and guess what? After making the proper moi moi the normal way, I just came out with an idea in my head, to try this two plates of plastic of moi moi. I I will tell you the mixture, guys. You're going to scream right now. This is the proper one I did. I use a mixture of I mixed everything. I mixed carrots, um, mayonnaise, Bahama mayonnaise. What else? I also blended pepper, onion, honey, and ginger. Yeah, so I added maggi and salt as well. And what else? What else? All the all spices and ingredients. Yeah, I added them. Then I blended it. I added a little oil, little vegetable oil. And I cooked it. Yeah, and it turned out this way. It's very delicious. You need to try this, guys. So I just said I needed something that comes with a crunch. I can crunch when eating. So I added this chocolate paste. Added little to the mixture. I also added this other paste that has a honey, honey taste in it. So not just that, it didn't even end there, because I also added powdered milk. It's not the small thing, guys. Not me myself. I'm even surprised I did that. I also added this. This is the coconut chips I used for the topping. I just broke it and pieces and put it on top of it, just like you're seeing it. Yeah, because Prince does not like egg, so I decided to do this, cook without egg. Yeah. And at the end of the day, I had a biscuit. Yeah, Prince was holding biscuit. He was eating the biscuit. I said, okay, let me add something else. See, I just had to take it and put like two pieces. I pressed it and put it on top of it. Alright, guys, so let's start cooking now. And while we are cooking it, let's see how this one turns out. That's the first one that I cooked the proper way, Yeah, this is how it turned out. It's very sweet and fluffy. Let's go for a break, guys. So guys, it's ready. Yeah, it is. This is how it looks like. This is what it looks like. Oh my god, this is looking like a cake. This is just an improvised cake. When I put this in my mouth, the texture is so beautiful. Like, oh gosh, it was so fluffy somehow, and this is very sweet, guys. You need to test it. So yeah, I had the presenter, a food tester. In fact, he's a chef. It's going to be the one to tell us what this whole thing tastes like, guys. Since you aren't here to taste for yourself, to confirm for yourself. So you're going to hear from his mouth, okay? So he's going to tell us what this delicious meal tastes like in his taste bud. Alright, guys, so let's listen. Yeah, keep watching, guys. So if you're new, thank you for joining. Please hit on the like button, click on the subscribe button also as well to subscribe, okay? And click on the bell so you can always get notified whenever we post a new video. Yeah, guys, thank you. Here is our presenter, like I said. So now, let's listen to him.
Music don't need permission to enter your spirit.
Yes, so music no need permission to enter your spirit too. Just like, in fact, you don't need permission to confirm say this food sweet. Anyway, so guys, while we wait for our guests to tell us how we feel about this meal, is enjoying it. he's enjoying it. He's enjoying it. Yeah, he has forgotten there's a camera on his face. Fact. Oh my god. Okay, so while we wait for him, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for joining us. Okay.
It is precious. It is milk cake. It is chocolate base.
Chocolate.
It is sunny.
Honey,
It's
yeah.
sunny.
Yes, I put honey. You're right.
And soft.
Yeah, and I keep eating anyways. It sucks. I like the texture. It's as if now I said I wanted something that is creamy, easy. That is that is I wanted it to something that is crunchy, right? But almost look at the this is the coconut
Biscuits.
no, it's coconut what's that called again? The coconut whatever what's that again?
It's
Crunchies, yeah. The coconut chips, yeah. So this is it, and it's not strong. That sweet. It's gummy. Prince, stop playing with that thing. See how it is. Oh my god! So that makes it look like a fruit, fruit. Fruit we use in making cake. Oh my god, this is delicious. This is the biscuit. You see. Anyways, but this cake is something else, guys. Try this at home. You can play with it, and this is very good for kids. Like, oh my god, see the way the prince is eating this thing like a village man. Be careful so you don't wound yourself with that knife. Take it easy, Omonga. So guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.
It's Valentine coming so soon, guys. You know what? I need you to support me. Click on the thanks down here and support me with anything you can, guys. At least show me some love, okay? Do not forget to show your loved ones some love. This is the time to take them out, make them happy. Do just little things for them. Thank you.
Like, share, drop your comment on the comment section. See you guys on my next video. Do not forget to click on the notification bell